Ing BCDA, ing Mamondo king pamagawa king access road papunta king Bayong Pampanga Provincial Hospital king Clark. Pakibaluan tamo king reporting.
May nga kuya ing Bases Conversion and Development Authority o BCDA na ponduan ing construction ning access road papunta king Bayong Pampanga Provincial Hospital king kilub ning Clark. Kayabe king proyekto ing sulu at ing drainage systems. Pepasyag na iting BCDA President and CEO Joshua Bingkang king gewang site inspection inyang July 8, 2025. Kayabe ring miyembro ning board apanimuna ng Chairperson Larry Paredes. Ing ospital ating kabilugang 140 beds, kabilang na reng 17 private rooms, 16 semi-private rooms at 110 ward beds. Telakadya, King Loti, King Changi Gateway, King Clark Global City. Ing Gabon, partine ning use-of-frac agreement ning Clark Development Corporation at ning provincial government ning Pampanga. Yampang king ospital ring kompletong serbisyong medikal, diagnostic at support operations para king healthcare services kareng Kapampangan. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking Balen, susuyo.